Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Cheryl, and today we're in Bushkill Township. We're just off the road a little bit, right where a baseball field is, and there's a little path here, and I'm just curious where it goes, so let's go.
You know, curiosity killed the cat.
We're not cats. Well, here we go. I don't know what he means by curiosity killed the cat. We're not going anywhere that's, off the beaten path. Now, there's an information plaque over there, but how do we get to it? I guess we just gotta walk through this high grass and pickers and see what's over here. And see, there's a baseball field right on this side. So, what does this plaque say? Oh, wetlands have many benefits. Alright, I'm just going to put this up to the board. They're just explaining all about wetlands. And you can hear the game going on. Alright, back on the main path. See, the path at one time used to go in those woods. But they did away with that and made this path, I think, instead. So this is all new. I don't know where it's going. And we can go straight, and there's a lot of plaqueboards all around. Or this way. Let's go this way first, and we'll go around this circle and see what those boards up there say. And I'm not really sure what this is. It actually looks like Bat's Roost up there. And that might be what it is. I know where these boards are. I've seen this at other places. And right there is the entrance to the old path. These are these fit trails. That's what all these plaques are. For people to do fitness. And Chris and I have tried this stuff in the past. So we're going to keep walking. This is where the old path was. So we're going to take this and see if it changed at all. It's been years since we were anywhere back here. And this whole place has changed a lot. But I'm still curious. So let's keep going. But I see some trees in the way up here. Right in front of Christopher. Well, at least it's easy to navigate around these. And it's windy today and really chilly. And Chris, right just goes right back to the baseball field, which is right there. We can see it. So let's go this way. Let's go where it's taking us farther away. Let's go this way. Another little bridge, yep. This is just a quaint little path with lots of little bridges because I'm coming up on a few more. Which way you want to go? Oh, yep. That's where we came out. Let's go this way a little more. And they put all this like little boardwalk here. I guess because it's probably very wet and marshy, wetland like. Which is good. You don't have to step in all the mud and get your shoes soaking wet. But in the woods there, Chris, that was just a little walk. It wasn't really a lot of naturing back there. What are you coming across? Another bridge up here? Another wooden... A what? Oh, okay. Yeah, that open gate bridge over that little bit of creek. And another plaque about those wetlands. And they aren't kidding. It is quite wet back there, but now we're on the main path, and we'll just walk around here for a while, because this, I believe, is fairly new. I haven't been back here for years, so I don't know how new it is, but it's new to us. So we're just going to walk around for a while and see what's out here and what we can see. Chris, you had your hat up. Are you cold?
Yep.
Yeah, it's pretty chilly. Well, this is blocked off. I wanted to go farther in the woods, but this is blocked off, caution, so we're not gonna disobey it. And nature trail. Yeah. But we can't go in there today, so we're just gonna stay on this path. Maybe because of all the recent rain we had, maybe it flooded it, or I don't know, something. Well, we're just going to go right past the caution sign a little ways just to peek in there and see why there's a caution sign. Oh, maybe it's because of this. But maybe it doesn't mean don't go in. Maybe it's just caution because of that. I don't know. Because there's no other reason except that. Maybe they were just warning you so you would pay attention when you went in here.
That's what caution means, to pay attention.
Yeah, it doesn't say do not enter. It was just caution. And we took caution, am I right? Yeah, there was a truck back here. There was a lot of tracks from big tires. Yeah, my curiosity. I just had to be cautious, but go in here. I'm just too curious. But now there's another bridge. And didn't I say we were only going in a little ways? No, we're actually going in. You know why, Christopher? Look at this. They're putting in all new bridges. Maybe that's why that caution's there. Maybe because they're putting in new bridges right now. Because these are all brand new.
Yep, it's the new bridge right there.
Yeah, and the one over there I see too is brand new. That's why all these trucks with these tractors were down here. They're putting in all these new bridges. Which it looks like they're done already. Well, this is nice. Another nice little nature trail for us to come on. And here's the other one. I guess Chris was curious too whether he wanted you to know it because he's in front of me. Well, I'm very glad that we actually came through here so I could see this. This is another nice little nature trail to go on. And my curiosity is satisfied. Well, right up there is another caution sign and the baseball field. So that must be the end of this little trail. So we're going back. I don't know how long this little nature trail is. I'm going to guess from the time that we've been gone. Yeah, maybe a mile, mile and a half, 2 miles at the absolute most. I don't think it's 2 miles though, but it's a really nice little nature trail. Really nice, actually. I guess this was a piece of the old bridge that they replaced the new bridge with. And yes, it needed replacing. And I'm curious to know if they're going to replace these ones too. I'm sure the one up here a little farther that we showed you when we first went in here that were missing boards, well, the boards were broke. I'm sure they're going to replace that one. And my fingers are numb. I gotta remember to bring the gloves. And here's that last bridge right here. The bridge which I think the caution sign was for. See, I'm sure they're gonna replace this bridge. They just haven't got to it yet. But it says caution, and we were cautious. It doesn't say do not enter, just caution. That was interesting, wasn't it, Chris?
Yeah.
And before we leave, let's just go in through here where this wetland sign was and see what it says in here. Oh, there's a little pond back there. A catch and release pond. Let's go near the pond, Chris. Right back there, it's a catch and release pond. I didn't even know existed here. Nice. Chris, did you know this existed back here?
Yep.
You knew this pond was here? Oh, I didn't. I guess because you used to come with Pop, right?
Mm-hmm.
And see the baseball field up there. What, can we walk around this whole pond, I think, right?
Yep.
All right, let's try. All right, let's take a walk around this pond. It's pretty. You can see the trees shining off the pond, the reflection. Just another view of the pond. You learn something new every day. Wish I knew this was here in the summer. I would have been back here having a picnic. Christopher knew though, and he kept this information to himself. Darn him. That looks pretty with the leaves changing.
told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Well, we really hope you enjoyed checking out this place because I really liked it, and we'll be going to be back here more often.
It's okay to be curious, but don't be too curious.
Chris, we were perfectly fine, weren't we? We'll see you next time.
See ya.
Bye.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay.